How to add your diet type in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize the diet. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Tap on the profile icon. Now here on the left top, you can see a profile. Simply tap and hold on to it. So we are in this account settings. Here on the third option, you can see diet. Tap on diet. And here there are basically types that you can choose from. So here tap on add. So here you can select the meal that you have. So you can simply select the one. Here I'm selecting them, and at last simply tap on save. So as you can see, these have been saved. Now later when you go to the shopping or in the home page, you'll be able to find the foods related to it. So it's according to the algorithm. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.